stitch them together. I mean, I have 4, but you get the gist of it. And I think it takes about a yard to stitch all 15 together for the necklace, I think. Yeah, a yard. All right, so I'm going to stitch through the back of the bezel here of one of the bezel pearls. Oh, and by the way, if you I didn't even know why I didn't mention this, but if you decide to bezel a 6mm bicone the same way, you can. It's no problem. Just any 6mm bead is fine. When I first designed this bezel, it was done with a bicone, so if you want to do a pearl or a bicone or a round gemstone, you're good to go. So I'm stitching through the back, up one section, down another section, and I'm going to exit the corner bead here. That corner bead. Not the accent bead here or here. The corner bead, the base bead, base color. Then I'm going to pick up an 8. I'm going to get my next bezel, and you want to make sure that the orientation is correct. You don't want to connect them accidentally like this, unless that's what you choose, or if you want to connect them like that. I mean, it's left up to you, but you want to make sure the orientation matches and are not like, you know, like that. So I'm going to turn it to the front. So I pick up 1 8, and then I'm going to find the corner bead of my second bezel, which is right here. And this is basically done just through right angle weave. Pick up another 8, stitch up through that corner bead I exited here. Like so. And then reinforce them. The corner beads and the 8s. And then I'm going to stitch through this corner bead here until I stitch around until I reach this corner bead over here. Now, you can either go through, let's see, where am I? Okay. You can either go through the back bezel, or you can go through the bicones and the accent beads. However you like, it's your choice. And here I am, exiting the side corner bead, like so. Then I pick up an 8 and a corner bead, and another 8, stitch through the corner bead I exited, and then reinforce, and you just keep doing that all the way till you get to the end of all of your bezels. I really love this copper with these colors, it's gorgeous. And yeah, so you keep doing that until you reach your length for all the bezels of if you're making this into a bracelet or to the necklace. So I'm going to continue doing this, and then I will show you how to, in the next video, make the hubble stitch with alternating, staggering accent bead color. So I'll show you how to do that in the next video.